Miami Center, Cherokee 155, Alpha Papa, level 5 Alpha, 500 feet.
Cherokee 155 Alpha Papa, Miami Center, the Verbiage altimeter is 3014.
3014, 155 Alpha Papa, thank you. We've actually got a bit of an engine problem right now. We're losing power, so we are going to just go to our checklist and try and sort something out here first.
Number 5 Alpha Papa, roger. There's an airport directly east of your position, about 6 miles. It's X-ray 58. Initial heading would be about a 100.
Okay, we're going to turn 100 now, 155 Alpha Papa.
0 heading. There's a runway 13, about 6,000 feet long.
We're going to head 100 now. I don't know how high we are, so I'm not sure how we're going to be able to, if we're going to be able to make it.
You at 4,300 feet, 4,100 feet now, and if you think you can make it to that airport, it's 6 miles east of your position. Otherwise, you need to look for a flat field or possibly a road.
We've got some options, so we're going to look around and see what we can find.
November 5 Alpha Papa, I'm showing the winds in your vicinity are variable, about 5 knots, so almost calm.
We got some pretty fields just ahead of us. We might circle down and get to those.
Of course, if you have time to troubleshoot, you might be able to get partial power back or maybe get full power back.
Very small amount of power, but that's it. ALC is on, so we're going to look for the best place for now.
Roger, and are you going to land in the field? You said you're directly above?
We have quite a lot of altitude above, so we're going to come down. There's just 2 of us.
How much fuel remaining?
We have a bunch of fuel. I won't say half tank, probably 24 gallons.
November 5 Alpha Papa, there may be a highway off to your right, or are you already committed to the field?
155 Alpha Papa.
5 Alpha Papa, I don't know if I'll be able to hear you on the ground, but we're going to send help your way as soon as you land.
155 Alpha Papa, we just got power back, we've got full power, we're good.
And are you going to be able to maintain altitude?
That's fine, so yeah, we'll do 155 Alpha Papa.
5 Alpha Papa, roger. Be advised, minimum safe altitude in your vicinity is 2,000 feet, so see if you can get up to at least 2,000 feet.
And we'll get everything back to normal and we'll get back on our way.
November 155 Alpha Papa, there's traffic 3 miles northeast of your position, westbound, altitude indicates 4,000, looks like a barren.
Alpha Papa.
So are you going to continue to Merritt Island, or do you want to land at the nearest controlled field?
For now, and see how the engine is going to hold, and then we'll proceed for now towards Merritt.
Roger.